Hi everyone, I'm Betty from Ono Machinery. Welcome to our intelligent package showroom. Follow me and take a look. Raw material area, non-moving bag area, paper bag area. We are 17 years deep focused in package equipment industry. Provide both solutions of packing and printing. Not only provide forming equipment, but also provide converting equipment. For forming equipment, have non-moving bag making machine, paper bag making machine, paper cutlery making machine. For converting equipment, have digital printing machine, screen printing machine, flex-through printing machine, rotogravure printing machine. Such as this non-moving laminated box bag in my hand. Here is the solution. Step 1. You need a non-moving fabric production line to make a fabric roll according to different colors. Step 2. Slitting machine to cut out the appropriate size fabric roll for bag and handle. Step 3. Rotogravure printing machine to print the BOPP film. Other printing machines are available depending on different bags. Step 4. Laminating the printed BOPP film and non-moving fabric together to make the laminated fabric roll. Step 5. Put the laminated non-moving fabric roll on the leader bag making machine to produce these bags. It's from our B model paper bag making machine. For paper bag with twist or flat handle, you can choose our full automatic model A or AS. If you want to know more other solutions, please contact us. Thanks. See you next week.